Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you guys have been safe during this coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. I hope you and your friends and family, or no one that you know, has been diagnosed with it. And I hope you've been using this time wisely, this quarantine time, to be productive and get stuff done. I have not posted on YouTube in like 5 months now. But I did get the M5 back. So I'm just gonna show you guys around the car, the side that got repainted, the side that was wrecked, and then the side that was ceramic coated. Show you guys the inside, then we'll go for a little drive just to hear how it sounds. So less of me and more of the car. Would you believe me if I said the car has no control messages other than the park distance control, which is just because of one parking sensor that I didn't replace during the accident? Check this out. Info sources, service info, check control messages, park distance malfunction, that's it. Have you ever seen an M5 with this much gas and just that control message up? It's back, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so of course it's raining. I've been trying to do this video for months, or I shouldn't say months, but weeks. But the car's either always dirty, or it's raining, or I don't get off work in time. But this is kind of just a quick update video. Nothing fancy, nothing special. I mean, obviously there's not even tire shine on the tires. I'll be making a more cinematic video once the car is actually buffed and cleaned and clay barred, because there are a lot of water stains in the clear coat from it sitting from after I had the SMG issues after getting it repainted and stuff. So that's the side that was ceramic coated. So original paint there. Back here we can see my 2-year-old January 2019 tag. It's supposed to say January 2021. This was the side that was repainted and it looks really good. But like I said, not perfect. You've got one window that's not tinted and the rest are. Small things like that. So those will be addressed. Also, by then I'll be making a video to explain how much exactly did it cost to get the car back on the road once the SMG issues are fixed, because they're not. So what do I mean by that? So after buying a used SMG unit, the car lasted for about 3 weeks. Everything was good, put 1,000 miles on it, until this night right here I tried to turn around and it left me stranded. It was very embarrassing. I had this girl with me and we had to push it across the street to a Publix parking lot where it sat for 2 weeks until Corey was able to come and get it started. But that didn't last long. Literally 10 minutes later, stuck in neutral. Luckily I was able to pull in this parking lot, but just forget I said anything.
3 weeks later.
So before sitting here for another 3 weeks, that night we found out that the entire time I was driving it, it was leaking SMG fluid. Looks like it might be coming from the pump, maybe the unit, we're not sure. Either way, something got damaged during shipping, and that's why the car's getting thrown into neutral, because it's out of fluid. Damn, okay, Gwinnett. That's how y'all are gonna do me out here? Y'all got jokes saying we buy scrap cars. That's just because my car's been broke down here for the last 2 weeks doesn't mean it's scrap or junk. Okay, maybe it does, but hey. I was finally able to get my other friend to come and put SMG fluid in the car, which you can only do from underneath. There was enough fluid for me to drive it home, then once his lift is clear, I can drive it there and we can see exactly where the leak's coming from. Ironically, there was a 528i right next to us with M5 wheels. Like I said, I shouldn't really be driving the car despite the leak, but I was able to get some driving clips coming up here after I show you the interior. As far as the interior, because I had to get a new windshield, you can see that the water, when the car sat after the windshield being busted, rain got in and has like made the dash kind of peel, the leather wrapped dash, which is really unfortunate because it looks pretty bad. But if you remember, this car had a dark windshield before. I'll probably be doing that because that's 2 birds in 1 stone. It covers those cracks, whatever they're called, and you won't see my fat ass just sitting there in the front seat. So because you know, I thought about just wrapping that in Alcantara, but I think a windshield will be a lot more efficient. Interior, not much has changed in here except for the front. Check this out. This literally scared me when I pulled this down. Did not expect all that mold. Do you guys see me driving around with a mask on? It's not because of COVID-19. It's because of all this mold in the car. Actually, it really doesn't smell as bad as it looks, but it's not good to look at, obviously, and I will be getting to that once I clean it. Turn the lights off so it won't beep. Can't see the leather cracked dash from here, which is good, but you do see where the airbag was deployed at the pillar here, the Alcantara pillar. So to make that perfect, I'll have to get a new one of those. Other than that, I mean, the car has stayed clean. This was like this when I bought it. I think a lot of these do that. They're around the transmission cover. It just peels, I guess, from the heat or being in the sun. Just an unfortunate area where BMW cheaped out on. But yeah, this is the car. So glad to be back on YouTube, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. All right, let's go for a drive. This is my mom. Mom, say hi.
Hello.
Because she'll be holding the camera, so if it's shaky, that's why. Right?
Yes.
Just kidding, Mom. All right, let's go. We're gonna get on it.
Okay.
You ready? We're gonna get through the gears a little bit. It's not an M mode. We'll roll the windows down so you can hear the sound a little bit better. Alright, we'll put it in M mode here real quick. Can't even talk. This damn mold is getting to me. You ready? Woo! We're gonna wreck again. My key fell out of my pocket and everything. That's good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. That means this car has a lot of power still. 12 years old now. Sounds fantastic. Of course, I'll be making some videos, comparison videos of what I think, what it's been like driving the M3 for the last year and then getting into this. Of course, there's a lot of differences. Some that I'm still getting used to, but this has been a blast having this car back. Up until the other day.